This is Bunny Fufu with the Dirty Digging Nuts. There's a rainstorm coming in about an hour and a half, so I'm doing a very quick dig in a local park. And I just found something really, really good. I got me an SLQ Standing Liberty quarter. Beautiful. I was aiming for 1 coin and I got it. So this SLQ, I will take it. So it finally started raining. The park that I went to is behind that bridge, which is the Williamsburg Bridge. So here's my wrap up. Pennies, 7 wheat cents. Clad coins, 1830 silver medallion, a broken religious medallion, and the best find of the day, which I was aiming for, Standing Liberty quarter. I cleaned it up. Alright, thank you for watching.